In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a favicon in Circle. So it shows at the top of your website. Let's dive right in and make your web presence a little more personalized and recognizable. If you've ever wondered how to add that small icon to your browser tab, this is exactly what we're going through today. First things first, you'll need to log in to your Circle.so admin account. Make sure you have your login credentials handy, as this will give you access to the backend features where most of the customization takes place. Once you're logged in, navigate over to the settings area. From there, click on branding. This section is crucial, as it houses all the important tools you'll need for personalizing your community on Circle. So, as you scroll down through the branding options, you'll come across the favicon section. This is where you'll upload the image that will become your favicon. Now, it's important to note that when you're choosing your image, it should be either a .png or a .ico file with recommended dimensions of either 32 by 32 pixels or 64 by 64 pixels. Picking the right size and format ensures that your favicon displays correctly across all browsers and devices. After you've selected your image, click Upload Image. Double check that the image is appearing as you want it to. This is a great time to confirm that it's displaying the way you intended. Once you're satisfied with how your favicon looks, click on Save Changes. This step updates your Circle. So site with your new favicon. To see your changes in action, simply refresh your site. Once refreshed, you should be able to see your favicon appearing right there in the browser tab. It's a tiny change, but one that really helps to bring your brand identity to every visitor from the moment they arrive on your site. And now you've successfully added a favicon to your Circle. So website! This little icon will now appear every time someone visits your website, helping to reinforce your brand and make it easier for users to identify your site when they have multiple tabs open. Of course, if you want to further customize your community or manage additional settings, Circle.so offers many more options to explore. Just browse through the settings and make tweaks to suit your community's needs. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. I hope you found this guide easy to follow. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips and tricks to optimize your online community. Happy branding!